Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own lemon hydrosol, or should I call it your own lemon distillate water or lemon fruit essence. Now I have shown you how to make your distilled water, how to make your cucumber hydrosol, and today I'm showing you how to make your lemon hydrosol. This lemon hydrosol can be used for your creams as your water phase. It can be used as a toner. It can be used as so many things. So instead of using your regular tap water for your formulations, you should be using hydrosols or distilled water. So if this is what you would love to learn or love to see, then you definitely want to watch this video till the end. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Sele Kalio and I hope you watch this video till the very end. Now, to make this wonderful product, we're going to need lemon, the lemon fruit. And before you use the lemon fruit, you want to make sure you have washed it properly, because you don't want any form of bacteria in your distillated water or your distillate water. So you want to go ahead to cut your lemon into small bits. Now that we have finished cutting our lemon into small bits, we want to have a pot, a clean pot, a very clean pot that we will use for our distillation process. Now, you also need a lid like this that has a dip. I don't know if you can see the dip through in the video, but it has a dip. And if you have a pot that doesn't have this opening, that's fine, but if you don't, it's okay as well. Now you want to have this pot, this cover, and it will be flipped over, which will help to collect the steam and drop it into the container that we're going to use inside. Now here is our bowl. This will be the bowl that will catch all the steams that is our lemon hydrosol. We're also going to need a smaller bowl, which will be like a stool for our other bowl that will catch the hydrosol. Just watch the video how I place them for a better or clearer understanding. So here we have our lemon. For this video, I'm using just one lemon. You can use as many as you want for yours, but I had just one at home, so that's what I'm using. So you want to place your lemon around the bowl. Make sure you're using a pot that is deep enough. Now you're going to add water into your bowl, into your pot rather. You want to make sure that you're adding water that is almost going to cover the lemon. Now we're going to place our bowl on top the stool. You can use a stone, but I like to use a bowl because it's more hygienic. So apparently my pot isn't deep enough, So I have changed it, and I'm using a deeper pot. Let's see if this will work. But I think this is also it's not deep enough. So I'm going to go ahead and change the pot again just to make sure that I have a pot that is deep enough. So yeah, I have my pot. It is better, deeper, and bigger for my distillation process. So I have put my lid over. Remember, you're supposed to turn the lid over so that when the water hits on the glass, it drops into the bowl. Now for this, you also need ice. This will help the distillation process to be faster. You can actually do it without the ice, but with the ice, it gives you a quicker, and it makes the process faster and quicker. Does that make sense? It makes the process faster. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn on my stove. You want to let your heat be very, very low. Very, very low. You want it to be very low, and you want to make sure that your bowl is in the middle, and you're using a bowl that is wide enough to catch as much heat or vapor as possible, so that it will now drop into the bowl. Now you also want to use a pot that is wide enough and spacious inside, so that you have enough steam coming out. The more steam you have, the more it will drop in the bowl, and the bigger your bowl, the more steam you will collect. That's the more hydrosol you will collect. Now, hydrosols can be used in skin toners, creams, lotions, cleansers, conditioners, makeup. They can be used in so many things. You can see the heat has already started hitting on the lid, and our ice is melting, and we're collecting some hydrosols. Now, lemon hydrosol is very good because it can be used in sunburn and skin and hair lightening products. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, as well as improves the microcirculation or polyphenols. Lemon hydrosol is rich in antiseptic properties, like I said earlier. It is also good with skin lightening, skin whitening. It is an astringent, and it also has citric acid. It is also easy to use and is compatible with so many other kinds of skin ingredients. Lemon hydrosol can be used as your toner. For me, I use this lemon hydrosol as a toner to tone my skin before I go on to use my serum, before I go on to use my cream, before I go on to use my oils. Lemon hydrosol or any other hydrosol at all is the first step in my skincare routine, especially my 9th time routine. So you want to try this recipe or this product if you have sunburns, if you have acne, if you have rashes on your skin. You can even use it for your formulation in making your lotions, because it has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. It will help clear any form of skin issues on your skin. Like recently, I think I was reacting to something, and I started having this raised bumps on my hands, and all I did was spray on lemon hydrosol on it, and within 2 days everything cleared off. Now that's how powerful this product is. I like to make my own hydrosols at home because I know that these are genuine forms of hydrosol. There's no contamination. I know that everything that I'm using doesn't have any form of preservatives or anything. So I make them in batches and I use them to make my formulations. I use them as my toners. I use them for a lot of things. Anything that I need to use water for, I use my hydrosol, be it lemon hydrosol, orange hydrosol, cucumber hydrosol, and so many other things. Now our water has melted, or our ice has melted. You can see the ice is all melted. I'm going to take that aside and put on more ice because I want to collect a lot more hydrosol. Now if at the end of the day your hydrosol becomes, your water in the pot goes down, you can open the lid and add some more water, put more ice if you need to get more hydrosol. Now I'm going to keep coming back to check on it until I have enough. While we're waiting on that, let me explain further on what hydrosols are and how to use them and what lemon hydrosol does for you. Now when it comes to skincare, lemon hydrosol is unsurpassed. Like there's no other kind of hydrosol that I have used that I would say is way better, especially if you have oily skin. Now it is said to contain both vitamin C and antioxidants, which may help balance skin tone and also lighten acne scars. Now this hydrosol, as it is, put it in a spray bottle and spray it all over your face. It also helps to balance your pH level, especially after having a bath. Once you spray it on your skin, it helps balance your pH level. Now let me give you another trick that you can do. You can actually pour this hydrosol in a cup or in a plate or whatever you want to put it in, and put it in the freezer. Let it ice, and when it ices every day, I don't know if that is correct, when it ices, when you have the ice, every day, morning and night, you use that ice to rub on all over your face. This helps to not only brighten the skin, it doesn't only help with acne, it also helps to freeze any form of bumps on your skin, leaving your skin seamlessly smooth. Just try this. I don't know how else to explain it, but just try it. Lemon hydrosol is very, 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 very good. Now our second batch of ice has melted as well. I'm going to go ahead to add more ice just to make sure that I have enough hydrosol in my bowl. This is another batch of ice. I'm just going to keep changing the ice like that until I have enough, or until the water in the pot is done. Here I'm just moving the bowl inside to the middle so that it can collect enough hydrosol. Now we all know what a wonderful detoxifier lemon is, especially for people who try to lose weight and all of that. We put it in our water and we drink it. It helps to detoxify the body. Now a splash of this sparkling hydrosol in your morning water will be effective and very much safer than putting essential oil in water. It tastes really good, and as well as helps clear the mind and increase mental focus and concentration. Now lemon hydrosol is said to stimulate white blood cell production, so it may be helpful in warding off infections. Now it might be helpful in a hot compress to help with boils. So here we have our hydrosol. You can see I almost have the bowl filled up. So I'm going to try to get that out so that I can put back the bowl to collect more hydrosol. See how clean that is. Now you can splash this into your water in the morning and drink it. You can also use it as a spritz on your face. You can use it as an iced spritz on your face. Here I have my 500 ml cup. I'm going to pour that into the cup so I can pour it back into the container that you see. Now we have almost 400 ml of hydrosol. That's a lot. But this took so much time. I didn't even show you quarter of the time. So this is what we have. I'm still going to put the bowl back into the pot to continue to distill more hydrosols, so that I can have at least half a bottle of that. So here I have my bowl, and I'm going to cover it to collect some more hydrosol. If you try this and you're able to do it and it helps you, please leave me a comment in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please take this time to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time there's a new upload coming from me. And don't forget to watch my ads from the beginning to the end, guys. I am grateful to everyone who has, supported this channel. Thank you so much. I have a playlist of other videos that you would love to watch. If you're new here, welcome once again. My name is Select Kalio, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching this video. I have my playlist up here. Please go watch that video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.